Hey guys, it's Robert with RT Repairs. So let me go over a couple new things we got coming to the channel here. So right now we're currently putting the engine back together for the Pontiac Aztek. As you guys all know, we're putting new piston rings in. That's going to be the next video coming up. We're going to go ahead and reassemble the whole block on that motor, get the thing back in a short block form, and we can go ahead and get ready and put that back in the Aztek. As you've all seen, I've got a new content coming to the channel. We've got a 2003 Jaguar X-Type. It's got the 2.5 liter in it. Car suffering from fuel starvation. There's no fuel getting to it. So, as everyone knows, with the Jaguar X-Type, that would be the fuel pump. This particular car, someone took it upon themselves to actually, well, you'll see when I show you the content in the video. Fairly nice vehicle though, only got 100,000 miles on it. All the maintenance records since day one, so that's going to be a nice vehicle to work on. We also have the Buick that we've got to do an alignment on. I'll show you guys how you can do a somewhat alignment. My daughter had this vehicle and sideswiped another vehicle and kind of messed up the tie rod ends, so we got to replace the tie rod ends, and we've got to do a little bit of an alignment on that. We'll show you how you can do one at home and get it somewhat straight so you can get it to a licensed shop or to a shop that can actually do a real alignment on the vehicle. And in the next few videos we should have that engine back in that Aztek and have that Aztek running and driving again, so we can move on to bigger and better projects. The Volvo will be coming back, the XC90 that we started at the beginning of the channel. We've got to get some more work done to it. It's having an issue with the turbo and some turbo lag, so we may be rebuilding the turbos on that one, not sure. The Jeep will be coming back into content. We will be removing all 4 calipers on the Jeep. We've got a caliper that's hanging up. So the piston in the calipers actually was hanging up, not the actual normal bolts. So we're going to pull that piston up, pull that caliper apart, and see if we can possibly rebuild that caliper, or what to look for when you're rebuilding a brake caliper, so that you know when to replace it versus rebuild it. And some guys will say, well, why rebuild a caliper? Well, I mean, I can rebuild that caliper in that Jeep for $5. I can buy a new one for $75. Sometimes it makes more sense monetarily to rebuild a caliper versus just simply replace it. They make those parts for a reason. So, but we'll go over all that when we get to that video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update as far as what we've got coming. You should see a bunch more videos coming out here in the next week. I plan on having another video come out tomorrow, and then hopefully every 2 days for the next week, 2 weeks. So we're going to try to keep more content pumping out to you guys. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Watch all our video content. Go back and look at the videos from the beginning. You know, this is going on a year, believe it or not. I know I was gone for half the year, but we're back and we're going to keep at her. So thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to give you a quick update as far as what we have coming to the channel and what's going to happen here. And we'll see you guys next time.